Alright, welcome back. So let me quickly introduce you to the second important tool that we're going to be using in this class. How you're going to use it. You are going to receive the link to it in your email. First, you don't need to download it. Download the app first. If you are using your phone, if you are using your computer, it's not an app. You are going to be interfacing with it from your browser, whether Chrome or Safari or Firefox or Opera. So let me show you. So if you have the link already, I'm going to show you how to go about that. So if you have the link already, all you just have to do is to paste the link or click on the link as you received it in your email, and it will take you to the dashboard of that web app. So give me time to load. Once it finishes loading, if you are just opening your account, maybe you've used TinkerCad before, you've not used TinkerCad before, it's going to prompt an account creation process. So it is it. You can see, welcome to basic electronics course. Join with login code. This login code is a process if I want to add each student manually, which we are not doing. So what you are going to do is to join with either your email or username, or you use any of these providers. You can use iOS, you can use Google, you can use Microsoft, you can use Facebook. I prefer to use Google, so I'm just going to click on this. So it's going to load, asking me for sign-in details. Just follow through the prompts. Just follow. So this is an account creation process, and it's going to ask you your country and your date of birth. So I'm just going to input a random figure here. But ensure you can be free to put your date of birth there. Just put 2005. Oh, age will not carry me. 2005 plus. It was 10. That will make me 10 years old. Let me make you year 2000. 2001. Okay, that's beautiful. And click next. So once I do that, it's going to ask me to sign in. They sign their privacy statements and terms. So I click on continue, and with that, I've successfully created an account with TinkerCad. Alright, so for you to see what I have created as a tutor, as a teacher of the school, you come to classes. So this dashboard is yours. You can work on anything here. But if you want to do anything, maybe I give you an assignment, this is where you are going to see it. Things I've worked on that I want you to also work on, this is where you are going to see it. You are going to see it in classes. So once you click classes, you will see basic electronics course. That's the course that you signed on for using my link. So once you click on that course, it's going to show you the things that we are working on presently. So presently, we added this demo course for example. So you see circuits that we have created under that topic. So let me click on this. So actually, we're going to be using one of these actually in our video, in our course. So you can work on this circuit yourself by clicking on copy and tinker. So you can, once you do this, it copies it privately into your own account. Albeit, I can see your work and make evaluations based on what you do. Do you understand? So I can make edits to these circuits. I can make edits to it. I can delete. I can delete. I can undo by clicking Ctrl Z and a lot there. So this is your components bar where you select your components that you want to work with. This is a category. So if I select all, it's going to show me more components on the components bar, and I can search for what I'm looking for also. And a lot more like that. To start the simulation, all I just need to click is start. It's going to show me some outputs depending on what I am simulating. So to stop, you click stop. And so this is to copy, this is to delete a part, this is to undo, this is to redo. This is to add notes to your circuit. So let me click on this. So once I click on it, you see it brought an icon. So I can write a note here. This is a resistor. system. So that note will be there. So I think if I want to hide the notes, I just click on hide. If I click on this again, it's going to show me all notes that I write. I believe note is a useful feature for you to clearly understand what you are working with. So this is how to use TinkerCad, and I believe it's quite friendly and easy. We're going to be using a lot of it during this class. So go ahead and practice it and let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, be free to drop it on our community group. Thank you very much.